Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and we are following breaking news right here on the Riley King Network. At least 2 dead, 50 injured after Amtrak train collides with freight train in South Carolina. At least 2 people are dead and another 50 injured after an Amtrak passenger train collided with a freight train in South Carolina early Sunday morning, officials said. The 2 deaths occurred in the Amtrak train, not the freight train, Lexington County Coroner Margaret Fisher confirmed. Injuries range from minor cuts to broken bones, a spokesman for the South Carolina Emergency Management Division told CNN. SCEMD tweeted saying, Pine Ridge train incident update. County Lex confirms 2 fatalities, more than 50 injured, transported to the hospital. Shelter for passengers open at Pine Ridge Middle School. Media update at 6:30 a.m. Amtrak initially said in a statement Amtrak train 91 operating between New York and Miami came in contact with a CSX freight train at around 2:35 a.m. in Psyche, South Carolina. In the statement continued, the lead engine derailed as well as some passenger cars. There were 8 crew members and approximately 139 passengers with injuries reported. Local authorities are on scene responding. More information will be provided as available. CSX said in a statement this morning at approximately 2:30 a.m. an incident involving a CSX train and Amtrak train occurred in South Carolina near Dixon Road and S.R.26. Reports of injuries have been confirmed. An emergency response plan has been activated to provide full support. Lexington County authorities have been notified and are responding to the incident. Additional information will be made available as details of the incident are confirmed. A spokesperson for Lexington Medical Center in West Columbia, South Carolina, told ABC News that it received 25 patients with minor injuries. The spokesperson added that the health center also received patients, but the number of patients and the injuries sustained is unclear. This is breaking news. Please check back for updates. That does it for my breaking news report. I'll be back with more updates as we get more information into our newsroom. Goodbye, everyone.